che cosa serve?
A essere sicuri che sia morto.
The autopsy of Jane Doe is about father and son, coroners, getting a body of a beautiful young woman in, and there's nothing wrong with her.
Il soggetto è tra i 25 e i 30 anni. Capelli castani. Occhi grigi.
They start doing their autopsy, they start investigating her outsides, they start investigating her insides, and the deeper they dig, the more unbelievable things they discover, and the scarier it gets.
Cause of death. What is the cause of death? And that becomes really very hard to establish.
Che ti è successo?
Austin has a sense of it because Austin is a little bit more sensitive and Austin is more open-minded to the idea of things being supernatural. Tommy is very scientific. Tommy is like, if you can't touch it, can't see it, it doesn't exist. And
Qui sotto ciò che non puoi vedere o toccare non ha importanza.
Si tratta più di capire la causa di morte, papà. Tutto questo le è successo per una ragione.
Il vento è fortissimo. Una cosa è sicura, non andrete da nessuna parte.
I think the horror genre in some ways is a filmmaker's medium because you have to create on top of all the drama, on top of all the action, all the activity, you have to create another layer. You have to create a layer of dread, of horror, of tension with the way you use the images, the way you film, the way you use the spatial surroundings.
I like horror mysteries. I mean, like the first Alien film, Ridley Scott's first Alien film was fantastic and quite scary. The Shining, which, as I say, is a brilliant example. And this film has a lot of reminiscences of that because it's all set in one space.
Papà?
Nessuno ha mai visto quello che abbiamo visto noi.